Hey, welcome back to Family Meal. Today we're gonna be making Godiva Chocolate Banana Bread. All right, let's get started. For this recipe, you're gonna need flour, salt, baking soda, brown and white sugar, milk, butter, vanilla, eggs, Godiva chocolate, and some overly ripe bananas. All right, so you're gonna keep your flour to the side for now. Then I'm gonna peel my bananas. You can just break them up to your bowl. I'm gonna dump in my half cup of butter, pour in our vanilla, 2 eggs. We're going with a half a cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, and then I add milk to my recipe so that the banana bread comes out moist. All right, let's blend this up. Honzo, you gotta fix this. So now we're gonna mix our flour with our banana bread batter. So I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna dump in my rough chopped Godiva chocolate. And you're gonna mix this lightly. You just want the flour to get moist. You don't want to overmix it. And as soon as you get that flour incorporated with the batter, you're all set. That looks good. So now we're gonna put our batter into our lightly greased 9x5 loaf pan and layer some nice chocolate on it. That's beautiful. Where's the ice cream? Welcome to Family Meal.